Good afternoon, teacher. Speaking through my supermarket shopping. When I go to the supermarket, I usually buy a bag of sugar, a bowl of tea, a bowl of juice. I also buy a packet of noodles and a can of beans. On some occasions, I buy jar and pack of butter and loaf and bread. I also like to buy vegetables such as 1 kilo of tomatoes and a bowl of onions. I also buy ice cream and a bowl of soda. The total cost is approx ships to $70, depending on the product. I try to save money and only buy a one and need. Thank you.